Hi guys, I'm back. So let's open. I'm so excited. Actually, this is a lotion from Watsons. This is a buy one take one. That's why I grabbed. The opportunity to buy the buy one take one. And since I'm looking for retinol cream, actually guys, the retinol it's secret to have a young looking skin and beauty. So yeah, and diba, very secured. Look at that. Oh, secured niya. So yeah. So if you wanna grab yours, guys, you can visit the official store of Watsons in TikTok. I bought this for. This is actually oh, this is just one. I thought it's buy one take one, but this retinol gluta there. It's for night only, so you can use this every night. And this is buy one take one, as you can see. Dalawa na siya, and I bought this for 300 plus. But yeah, I'm gonna flash here how much will be the price for that. And I thought this one is buy one take one as well, hindi pala. So by the way guys, ang maganda sa kanya is meron siyang SPF 50. Diba? This is every morning. So this one is every night. And this one is every morning, and it has retinol plus gluta. So if you want the whitening one, you can use this. Retinol guys is nakakapagpabata ng skin. Yeah, that's why i-add ko siya sa every sa beauty regimen ko. And this one is, since it has sunblock, whitening and sunblock as well. So SPF 50, mataas na rin siya. And hindi ito malagkit guys. It looks like a serum. Madali siya yung ng skin. And ito talaga yung inaantay ko guys. So this is retinol cream. So yeah guys, kung ayaw nung tumanda agad or tumanda, add this one on your beauty hindi ko alam ito tulungan niyo ako. So yeah, every night na siya ginagamit guys, and you can do sandwich. We call it sandwich kasi I asked the seller or the yung nagbebenta yung nagla-live dun sa Watsons. I asked them paano gamitin ganyan. I said, sinabi ko lang pwede nyo rin tanong sa kanila, and pwede nyo rin sabihin ko na mga ginagamit ko. I said I have moisturizer, I have serum, and I have sunblock. So sabi niya pwede kong i-sandwich. Every night you have to use moisturizer, serum, and the retinol. And then moisturizer again. So apat siya. Dalawang beses yung moisturizer. And every morning you can use this one is every night lang guys, don't forget. In the morning naman you can use moisturizer and sunblock. So yeah, add this one guys. Add this one. So ang ganda nito. Parang hindi mas mamanda agad ang ating skin. Yeah. So you can add this. And this is a retinol plus Bokuchol. Bokuchol ba? Ewan ko ba? Bokuchol, yeah. So every night lang siya gagamitin guys. And ang paggamit nito guys is kung bago ka palang gagamit or first timer ka, once a week. And then on the next week, twice. And then on the third week, thrice. So ganun yung